Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you Porsche Carrera 2002. We've installed a double-din radio. However, to people who know this vehicle, they know that the original radio comes half single-din radio, and above it, it has the AC controls. So you had to do a modification to allow a double-din radio in this case. We have installed the Pioneer AVIC-8600NEX, which is a Pioneer navigation with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have also installed the Pioneer backup camera. So we're going to show you the camera. The camera is installed above the license plate area. In this case, we've used the Pioneer camera as it allows us to do adjustments, so you can lift the camera up or down. Depends on the angle that you want to have. This vehicle is very close to the bumper, so standard flash mount cameras, which we usually use, would be pointing directly to the floor and will not be adjustable. So with the Pioneer, we have the flexibility to adjust the camera to where we want it, more up, more down. The wires are run through the back in here. So we run the wires all the way to the front through this is the engine bay here, so we ran the wires nice and clean through the factory harness, the same harness that goes with the taillights, and ran it all the way to the front, nice and clean. In the front, we show you the radio. So I have here. So first, as you can see, we have our setup in here. So I'm gonna move the gear shift. Okay. So as you can see, we have moved the AC control to the bottom area. We also installed two flash mount USBs. We have the AC control in here. As you can see, it all looks nice and clean. A factory pocket. These AC controls, this top area used to be the CD holder, so it was above, and now we have removed the CD holder, did some modification, made the AC controls be in here. The AC controls used to be on the top part here above the radio. I'll take the light a little bit off. Okay, now we have here the Pioneer AVIC-8600NEX. It's a 7-inch screen. The system has a CD, so as you can see, we have easy movement for the CD and for the memory card to be inserted. You can open and close the screen easy. What I like about this system, you can adjust the angle. So if you want to have it more flash, you can do it like that. If you have it close, you can have it like that. As you can see, it looks all factory, nice and clean with the trim. Make it look like it's made for this vehicle. When you put the vehicle in reverse, we have the backup camera showing on the screen. As you can see in here. And we also have the camera on demand. So if you want to have the camera on demand, you just press and you go to camera view, and you can see the camera on demand immediately. Now we also have this system has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's a wireless, very good system. If you want to see more videos of radios installs and other electronics installed in cars, you can always subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.